Meaning of georgette.
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 Georgette. Georgette is a sheer, lightweight fabric that is made from silk or synthetic fibers. It is known for its crinkled texture, which is achieved through a unique weaving process that involves twisting and creasing the yarns. The fabric is named after the French fashion designer Georgette de la Plante, who popularized its use in the early 20th century. Georgette is commonly used in the fashion industry for creating flowy dresses, blouses, and scarves. Its delicate nature makes it ideal for creating soft, feminine looks, while its versatility allows for a range of designs, from simple to intricate.